Mountain getaway. The minute you walk into this home, your eyes are drawn to the amazing view of the valley. Located in Comstock Ranch, this home sits on almost 3 acres and features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an office and a laundry room. The kitchen has a lot of counter space with a pantry and great views. Entertaining on the large deck with electric retractable awnings provides a great space to mingle with friends and family. The home features a 2-car garage and an additional 2-car garage with shop and storage area. RV parking with full hookups. This home has it all. Come see it today. Shown by appointment only.